Well, hello. My name is Daddy-O, and I do some YouTube stuff, some Uber stuff, and I'm looking for another side hustle. That's what this is all about today. I'm interested in finding another side hustle. I know if you're watching my videos, Daddy-O Money, I'm interested in making money, side hustles. What do you have? Do you have something that you do a week, a day, whatever? I am searching high and low. Where is another side hustle? So if you have one, if you have come across something that you think other people would be interested in, if you think there's something I would be interested in, let me know. If I see that your side hustle that you let me know about is working, is something that is something everyone might be interested in, I'll make a video on it. We'll talk about it. All right. I'm looking for something else. I need something else. I know there's a lot of people out there that are doing all kind of little things. I don't want to do the lift. I don't want to be driving. I'm looking for something where I can sit on my butt and work on a computer, maybe make phone calls. Along that line, I'm very good on the phone. I've done that professionally before. But I'm looking for a side hustle. And I know there are people out there. You know right now, if you're watching this video, you've come across other things because this is not the first video that you've seen about making some extra money. So I know there are people out there that's got a good side hustle. We want to find those. We want to know right now with the economy and things going the way it is, what is there out there that someone could do without having to get out of their home, without driving, without going places? What is there out there that is available that is a good side hustle, that's a steady side hustle, that for someone that can either talk on the phone, do those kind of things, work on a computer, do those kind of things. I don't know. I'm looking. I've seen the surveys. You see those things. There's all kind of little things. You can go and get money for taking surveys, blah, blah. Not interested in that kind of stuff. I'm looking for something that's kind of steady. Something where you can just work from home, of course, or work from anywhere you're at. That's what everyone's looking for. So if you have something that you've run across that you're doing or that you know about, or something that you think that might be interesting, send us the information. We'll go and I'll go and look at it. And if it's interesting, I'm gonna let people know who sent us that information. If it's something that I see that really will work, I'm gonna push you a little bit. I'm gonna talk about you. So yeah, definitely. If you have any kind of side hustle, that's what we're searching for. Daddy-O Money today is on the search. We're looking for side hustles. Something that can be done from home or anywhere, the hotel, wherever you may be. You can pull out your computer, you can pull out your phone and do something that'll create you a steady income. That's what we're looking for. So if you've come across something like that, please let us know. Now, I've been doing videos here recently on I'm an Uber driver, if I haven't mentioned that. I'm an Uber driver, and I've been doing stuff here lately on Uber, the rental thing. And a lot of the comments I'm getting, I did a video yesterday about the insurance. A lot of people are having those insurance issues or questions. Also, they're having issues on where can they find out how to do this. I just answered a question a few minutes ago from someone that's having a problem of finding out where they can do the rental from. In your app, when you bring up your app on Uber, when you click on account, you can go into your account there, and up at the very top, it's going to say vehicle. When you click on vehicle, it's going to show what vehicle that you already have listed there. And then down below that, it's going to show other options, I think it is. So there's a place there you can click on for learn more. Click on that. It'll take you right over to the rental page. And you'll see there the different vehicles that they have listed, if there are vehicles listed in your area. That's how you find out if it's in your area. And then that's how you find out what deals are available for you if you want to do that rental. And that was the question I've been getting. I just got it before I started this video here. I answered it as much as I could for that individual on where they could find this information at. So if you're interested in doing a rental, go to your account in your app and then follow it from there. Up there at the vehicle, click on vehicle. It'll show what vehicle you have listed. If you don't have a vehicle yet listed, click on that, and it's going to give you your other options, and then that's where it'll show you if there are rentals available in your area so that you can go out and do Uber. All right, so that's how you find that. All right, I hope that answers some of the questions, because I've been asked that before. I've tried to answer it before. I tried to answer that one a little bit more detailed, because I actually brought up the app as I was doing it to make sure it was still current, that's how it was set up in the app. And it showed my rental as my vehicle. So when I clicked on that right up at the top there, it brought me right down to where it gave me other options if I wanted to switch over to another company, which is Hertz. And I've talked about that before. So that's how you find out if it's available in your area, and that's how you find out what the prices would be, and if you can go do your rental and stuff like that. But we're on a search today. We're on a search for another side thing to do. I'm 72 years old. I had a birthday just the other day. But that don't slow me down. That's just, come on. If I'm out and I'm kicking, I'm looking at a way of making a dollar, $2, $3, whatever it is. I don't care. It all adds up in the end. And when you get to be old like I am, every little dollar, it helps. And so that's what we're screaming today, is we're looking for side hustles. We're looking for something else to do that can be done from home, preferably phone, computer. I don't know. Just see what's available. What you got? Let us know. Let everybody know, because on this channel, I'm not the only one that's going to see your comment. So when you post something, believe me, others are going to see what you've posted, and they're going to go look at it also. But if I see it and I think it's something, after I've looked at it, that is viable, I'll check into it. But before I post it on here, believe me, I'm going to make sure it's something I think that'll work. All right, so if you have that side thing going on that you want to tell everybody about or tell me about, let us know. You're not the only one out here trying to make the extra buck. And if you don't mind passing the word on, pass it on. Let us know. So if you've learned anything on this channel, if I'm being informative, if I'm somewhat giving you the information you're looking for from time to time, subscribe, ring the bell, do all that kind of stuff. Let us know, though, if you have a side hustle. That's the biggie today. We're looking for side hustles. I'm going to post it all over the thumbnail here. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for side hustles. What you got? Let me know, and I'll let everyone else know, and we'll put it out there for them. So I don't know what else I need to talk about. Today is Saturday. It's an absolute October the 4th. It's an absolutely gorgeous day here. The sun has come out. We've been having rain for the last few days. That's my little weather report. And I'm out doing my Uber thing 7 days a week, just as always. But you guys let us know. Anyway, Daddy-O out for the day. This is a short one. All I was looking for was side hustles. And I want to see what's out there. So let me know. All right. Daddy-O out for the day. You guys have a good afternoon. Bye.